This. This is what we're all afraid of. In the last video, we built our idea engine. We tore down the idea wall. And in the comments, you all told me what the next wall was. My scripting nightmare is sounding like a robot. How do I use AI without my script sounding generic? It's the soggy, boring middle. I lose my way. You have your validated, click-worthy idea. You open a chat window and you type, "Write me a 10-minute YouTube script about my topic." And what you get back is that. It's polite, it's grammatically correct, and it has absolutely zero soul. This is the AI scripting trap. It promises to save you time, but it ends up stealing your voice. Today, we're going to escape that trap. We're not going to learn how to make AI write for us. We're going to learn how to make it brainstorm with us. The solo creator, which was me, has two terrible options for scripting. Option 1, the perfectionist. You spend 10 hours writing a 12-page script, word for word. It's rigid, it's exhausting, and by the time you film, you sound like you're reading a teleprompter. Because you are. Option 2, the lazy AI. You paste in the robotic script. You've saved time, but you've lost your audience because they didn't come for a textbook. They came for you. Both of these are a dead end. The Centaur creator knows a secret. You never ask an AI to write the script. You ask it to be your structural architect. This is my 4-step process. It takes me from a title to a finished script in about 90 minutes, not 9 hours. And the final product sounds like me. Step 1. The scaffold, not the script. We are not going to ask AI for words. We're going to ask it for structure. An architect doesn't just start building a house. They make a blueprint. The solo creator just starts writing. The Centaur creator does this. The prompt. Act as a YouTube scriptwriter. My title is The Centaur Creator. How I use AI to do 50% of my work. This is for a 10-minute video. Give me a 5-part video structure based on the problem, agitate, solve, and proof framework. For each part, give me the key concept to explain, a hook question to ask the audience, and an idea for B-roll. Look at this. It's not a script. It's a scaffold. It's given me. Part 1, problem. Introduce creator burnout. Part 2, agitate. Explain the solo creator grind. Part 3, solve. Introduce the Centaur concept. Part 4, proof. Show the new workflow. And Part 5, CTA. Ask them their wall. This is the soggy middle problem. Solved. Before I write a single word, I know the journey I'm taking the viewer on. My AI partner was the architect. Step 2, the research assistant. Now I have my scaffold, but I need to make my point strong. I need facts, stats, and proof. The solo creator would now open 20 browser tabs and fall down a 3-hour research rabbit hole. The Centaur does this. The prompt. For Part 2, agitate. Find me 3 powerful statistics about creator burnout. For Part 3, solve. Find me a short, powerful quote or metaphor about human-computer collaboration. In 30 seconds, I have my ammo. 73% of creators have experienced burnout. Boom! That's a powerful line my architect just handed me. Step 3, the human pass. This is the magic. Okay, now we have our scaffold and our research. It's time for the most important part, the human. And here's the trick. I still don't write a full script. A full script makes you sound like a robot. A bullet point script makes you sound like a person. I take my AI scaffold and I paste it into a new document. And under each bullet point, problem, introduce the wall. I add my human part. Tell the 3 a.m. story. The feeling of, what's the point? Snap fingers. Solve. Introduce the Centaur. I add my human part. Use the Garry Kasparov chess metaphor. Human plus AI beats any AI. You see? The AI built the skeleton. I am adding the heart, the stories, the personality. I'm not writing a document. I'm writing talking points. When I sit down to film, I'm not reading. I'm talking to you. Step 4, the sparring polish. Okay, my bullet point script is done. I'm feeling good, but I'm not 100% on the intro. The hook. I need to make it stronger. So I go back to my AI partner, this time as an editor. The prompt. Here is my draft for my intro. It feels a little weak. Act as a script doctor and give me 3 alternative, more powerful hooks to start the video. Make them shorter and more punchy. And there it is. Hook number 3 is way better than mine. I'll take that. I've used my AI partner to build the structure, find the facts, and punch up the opening. The entire script is now done. It's mine. It's in my voice. And it took a fraction of the time. This is the Centaur Scripting method. It's not about letting AI write for you. It's about using AI to structure your thoughts so you can spend your time on what matters: the stories, the personality, the connection. The AI's job is to build the scaffold. Your job is to build the home. AI is the world's best structural engineer, but you are the artist. You are the storyteller. By using this, you'll never sound like a robot. You'll sound like you, but more focused, more structured, and less burned out. You've escaped the trap. So, we have torn down the idea wall. We have now torn down the scripting wall. We have our validated idea. We have our powerful bullet point script. We are ready. And now, we hit the biggest wall of all: production, the filming, the editing, the audio, the endless search for B-roll. This is where most of us waste hundreds of hours. This is the production grind. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how the Centaur creator uses AI to automate 80% of that grind so you can finally get your videos finished. So, subscribe and hit me with this in the comments. What is your #1 production bottleneck? Is it finding B-roll? Is it editing your ums and ahs? Is it that first rough cut? Let me know and we will build the Centaur solution for it together.